The power of tarot, astrology, and crystals. No two people have the same mental health experience, and thus no two people can deal with it in the same way. There is a unique set of strategies that works for each individual, even if they might appear a bit fringe. As long as a coping mechanism doesn't hurt anyone, there is no reason to judge it. Astrology, tarot, crystals, and other spiritual practices can be helpful for mental health. Exploring spiritual practices for mental health should not be dismissed or judged. If holding a crystal while meditating makes you feel more grounded, go for it. Therapy, medication, and coping mechanisms are important, but they shouldn't be the only options. Holistic practices can provide comfort and balance for individuals. Astrology is now a $2 billion industry, with more people integrating it into therapy. Taking a holistic approach means considering the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. People are exploring holistic practices as a way to connect and promote wellness. Astrology and related practices may not be scientifically proven, but they can benefit mental health. Try different holistic practices to see what works for you. Experiment with grounding meditations or other techniques and evaluate their impact on your mental health. Discuss the techniques you're trying with your mental health professional for guidance. Filter astrological readings through your own feelings, knowledge, and intuition. Integrate medical interventions and holistic practices for a collaborative approach to mental health. Including all perspectives, such as astrology, tarot, and yoga, can help understand and care for mental health. Collaboration between holistic practices and therapy can be beneficial for clients. Self-care tips can be woven into sessions, but mental health conditions should be addressed by professionals.